पूरे लूट मार मचा रखी है, धंधे में चंदा खाया है। इसके बाद पूरे भारत की जनता को कह रहे हो कि उन्होंने वोट डाला है।
आपने लाइसेंस बेचे,
पूरा वोट डाला है, झूठ पे झूठ कर रहे हो, पूरा झूठ करा दो।
22% टैक्स जनता के पास जाता है। राजीव गांधी ने बोला था 85 पैसे।
राजीव गांधी को ले आए, अब कभी तुम इंदिरा गांधी को ले आते हो,
85 पैसे खाते,
नेहरू जी को ले आते हो,
रुपए में 85 पैसे खाते थे ना, गरीब का खाया ना, अभिशाप मिला।
अब वो भी
है ना, सच्चाई तो आपकी थी ना, राजा तो आपका ही था।
Sir, I Ratnakar ji, 1 minute. Ratnakar ji,
closed down and it gets to 15 paisa. It was not with the politicians.
He accepted that you guys are doing corruption.
Yeah.
Number 1.
You.
Number 2.
तो तुमने नहीं करी करप्शन, लूट के खा रहे हो देश को। अंबानी को बेच दिया, अडानी को बेच दिया।
क्या बेच
What is
दिया?
PM Care Fund?
क्या बेचा?
Sir, what is PM Care
You
Fund?
did it.
The
Congress
name of
gave him the
PM Care
votes.
Fund is not-
Congress gave him the votes, sir.
I am not saying that the exit polls are the last word. I am not saying that the exit polls are the last word. But I am saying here today, Animesh, and I have very mild-mannered exit pollster on my left here. I am saying on my left.
No, Anna, let us be simple. Let us be realistic.
No.
Global bodies, global organizations of great credibility have repeatedly indicated
Sir,
that poverty, the way Modi has addressed poverty, nobody has in the past 6-70 years.
No, I want to add something.
There is a
इंदिरा जी ने भी काम किया है, नेहरू जी ने भी काम किया है, शास्त्री जी ने भी काम किया।
Figures matter.
अब ये टीवी नहीं थे,
Facts matter.
ये चैनल नहीं
Not
थे,
voice.
Scam came in Nehru's time.
ये चैनल नहीं थे।
Jeep scam came in Nehru's time.
ये नहीं थे
नेहरू के
चैनल।
समय में जीप
अरे
स्कैम
सबने
आया था
काम किया,
साहब।
सबको बोलो।
सबसे पहला स्कैम वही आया था, सबसे पहला संशोधन
Raman ji, one minute. Don't have a parallel debate. I think we are on a very serious point, and I don't know if Mahesh Jaipalan is still with us. Well, can I? Uday Dada, let me. I'm very realistic, but I need to bring it to a central point. Is Mahesh still with us? No. Okay, he is there with us.
He is there.
Now, my concern, Mahesh, and I keep saying to Mahesh that Mahesh is more interested in geostrategy than he is in law. Had he not been a lawyer, he would probably have been a professor of international relations at Harvard or Oxford or Cambridge. But question is, we are aware of the threats to our country. Animesh, you and Manoj ji have put out an exit poll. अब ये डाउट द एग्जिट पोल कैंपेन शुरू हो चुका है मनोज?
100%।
हाँ, कि ये कह दीजिए मनोज जी बिके हुए हैं, पी मार्क का कोई क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं है, रिपब्लिक बीजेपी सपोर्ट करता है। दिस कैंपेन हैज स्टार्टेड, राइट?
100%।
कौन सरकारी एग्जिट पोल?
क्या आपको लगता है मनोज जी, और एक क्या आपको लगता है मनोज जी, यही एक षड्यंत्र है इवेंचुअली इलेक्शन रिजल्ट को डाउट करने के लिए?
देखिए मैं
मनोज जी को बोलने दे। आप मनोज जी को बोलने दे। आप मनोज जी, यू एक्सेप्ट द वर्डिक्ट। मैं कल से बोल रहा हूं, एक्सेप्ट द वर्डिक्ट। यू आर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग द वर्डिक्ट। यू हैव मेड अप योर माइंड. You have made up your mind.
Verdict, sir.
Well, let there be a verdict, sir.
You are considering it as a verdict.
Let there be a verdict. I'm telling you.
That is what we are saying.
Manoj ji.
You are well fed that this is the verdict.
अर्णव जी, हमारे जो पुराने रिपब्लिक का स्टूडियो था, उसमें रत्नाकर जी भी बैठे थे, हम और आप सब लोग थे। उत्तर प्रदेश का एग्जिट पोल आ रहा था।
करेक्ट।
जब हम लोग सही हुए और दूसरे लोग गलत हुए, तो रत्नाकर जी ने ये बोला कि वो कांग्रेसी मीडिया है। आपने क्यों बोला? आप रिपब्लिक को आप बोल रहे हैं कि बीजेपी मीडिया है। यदि वो एग्जिट पोल हम सही दिखा रहे हैं, हम सुनिए, हम यदि मेरा सही आ रहा है और दूसरे का गलत आ रहा है, तो आप कहें कि आपने उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
No,
क्यों नहीं कर रहे? आप समर्थन में क्यों?
बोले, एक मिनट बोलने दे।
कब बोला बीजेपी मीडिया?
कब आप बोल रहे हैं ना कि मोदी मीडिया बोल रहे हैं? मोदी मीडिया बोल रहे हैं ना? आपने बोला ना मोदी मीडिया है।
रत्नाकर जी मेरी बात सुनिए। रत्नाकर जी मेरी बात सुनिए। माय पॉइंट इज वेरी डिफरेंट। रत्नाकर जी, माय पॉइंट इस बात को रत्नाकर जी,
अभी जो हो रहा है कि लोगों के, मैं कह रहा हूं कि नहीं सुनिए, आप उस समय भी बोले कि नहीं, आप तो उस समय लाइव में बोले हुए हैं। आपने लाइव में मुझे बोला हुआ कि अरे मनोज जी,
आप ये सच बोल रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं है।
रत्नाकर जी 1 मिनट। अच्छा मनोज जी 1 मिनट।
दूसरी बात बता रहे हैं।
1 मिनट। Animesh, how do you feel when all these polls are given in a political context? Do you believe, as a pollster, a campaign is on not just to doubt the exit polls this time, but it's a prelude to something else, more sinister?
So I think this kind of campaign has been running, and that's why they are in the position where they are right now. Had they learned something in 2014, 2019 would not have happened. Had they learned something in 2019, 2024 would not have happened. If they don't trust the exit polls, if they don't trust the final verdict, and they in their mind have formed the government in the center, then I think they will continue to have the same thing. The seats will increase. Whereas what is the data point? Data point.
Like the verdict is out.
When Rahul Gandhi has stood for Prime Minister, he has won less than 15% of the seats in 2014, 2019, and if exit polls hold true in 2024 as well. So focus on the leader, focus on the strategy, focus on the process rather than just vilifying those exit polls.
I want to go to
vilifying
Mahesh. I want to go to Mahesh. Mahesh, how do you view this? You believe they are building up to a plan after 4th of June? Oh, we dropped the line with Mahesh. Okay, viewers, we are at therefore a very critical stage tonight, and I have been saying since yesterday, accept the verdict. This was the most critical part of our campaign yesterday. I now feel that if it's a winner-takes-all situation, if the results are even better for the NDA, then I think, we'll have to see what kind of meetings are going on in Jawahar Bhavan, where there are influencers, lawyers, activists, political parties, failed politicians sitting together, कि कैसे campaign करे, Form 17C को लेकर, EVM को लेकर. This campaign will make you lose whatever remaining credibility you have. And it will make you look like very poor losers.
People of India will have to accept the verdict. The people of India, we'll see now after 4th. The people of India will accept the verdict. Let's see what's going to happen.
No, what do you mean?
If they will fool everybody in the country, the people will definitely struggle for this against them. If they will fool.
Losing party.
This is what I was fearing, Arnab.
They will redo it. This is what their plan is. They will bring carnage.
I want Sohail to come in on this. It's very dangerous. Sohail.
Yes, that is what Congress is.
Sohail.
आप 84 दोबारा से करेंगे.
Sohail.